Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Lanier, and I'm super excited to have you back and also to share with you how you can create your own logo. You don't have to pay anyone to do this for you. It's super easy, simple steps. All you got to do is follow along with me and get the work done. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So what we're going to first do is to go to our browser, and we're going to search for the AI that is going to be helping us to create the logo. So the AI is bing.com stroke create. So we're going to type in Bing. Guys, sorry if I do this slow. My keyboard has a problem, and yeah, so okay, I already used it. So it's there. It came bing.com stroke create. What I was saying, my keyboard has a little bit of problem. So sometimes I'm gonna be slow, but guys, just bear with me. So we're gonna go ahead, and it's going to bring us to this page, and over here we are going to type in what we actually want. So we just going to type in create, like I want to create a logo for like a car selling business. So I'm going to type in create create me a car selling selling business logo. So we are just going to wait for it to create for us like samples. So it brought us these. So we're just gonna go through them and see which one we like. I will go with the first one. So here there is options of share, save, download, and customize. So I want us to customize this. So I'm just gonna click on customize. And now here we have options of template, my media, visuals, text, brand kit. There is options of replacement, and here they give you ideas. So we can go through the different ideas and see which one we can work with. So I'm just gonna go through all of them and let's see what they look like. Then I'll make my decision after seeing after going through all of them. I actually like this concept, and this one, I think I'll go with this one. I'm gonna come here and edit the name of the company. I want my company to be called KK Car Dealers. I'll go with this. Let me first highlight this. I'm going to first highlight this, sorry. And I'm gonna come over and find a different image. You can check for different images over here, or you can type for ideas. I already used this car and I love it, so I'm gonna put this car instead. So you see, with everything you add, it keeps on like giving you options here of what everything would look like. So you can always come back here and see if there is anything you'd like to use that has caught your eyes. So I'm just going to go through again and just see if there is anything I like. I'm going to first move this car a little bit again. I think this is cool, but I don't like the word company showing. So let's first try using this and I see what difference we could make. Actually, no, I don't like that. So I'm just gonna go back once again. I'm going to go back. I don't like how that looks like. So I'm just gonna go back with my first concept. And I'm thinking of like having this car down here or like up over here. I think it's better when it's up. Then have our this name. I'm going to come and get a shape over here. Little shape. And I'll drag it over here to hide this name company. I'll change the color over here. I'll change the color of this to white. Then I'll bring this over here. Okay, so you can just move the content until like you like it. I want to first change the color of the font. I'll have it in black. I'm gonna drag this over here. Position. I want to bring that to the front. And the shape to be behind. I'll zoom that in. So I'm just right now I'm just moving like everything until I find something that really looks good like in my eye. So I'm just hiding off like that the, the cartoonish car, and I'm just trying like to find something that I really like with um my eyes. Like I'm just playing around with everything until I get something that I really like. So I'm going to get another shape from the visuals, still a square. I'm gonna turn it to white, or then I'm just gonna make it like a bit slim just to cover up the car brand name to avoid issues. Yeah, so I really wanted to go for something really simple and easy, and I think this really looks good in my eyes. So I really like the simplicity of this design. Like I said, I wanted to go for something really simple and nice at the same time. So I like how that actually looks. So after that, you can just come over here and click on the download button. You download your design from there. So like you can see over here, it's downloading the design, and ta-da! Our design is over here. It's done downloading. So thank you so much guys for watching and tuning in. I hope you benefited from this video. And if that's the case, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And see you guys in my next one. Bye. So I really like the simplicity of this design. Like I said, I wanted to go for something really simple and nice at the same time. So I like how that actually looks. So after that, you can just come over here and click on the download button. You download your design from there. So like you can see over here, it's downloading the design, and ta-da! Our design is over here. It's done downloading. So thank you so much guys for watching and tuning in. I hope you benefited from this video. And if that's the case, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.